Thank you very much for being so patient, sir. So we'll start the session now.
Yeah.
So a very warm welcome to this one of its kind webinar session, Mr. Madhusudan. I would like to introduce you to everyone. Mr. Madhusudan has been working with Flipkart for quite some time now, and he's one of our star sellers. So, sir, I would request you if you can give us short introduction of yourself.
Yeah. So I am Madhusudanan. Actually, I am from Tamil Nadu, Tirupur. So we became a fashion seller in Flipkart in 2016 April. As of now, it is almost 4 years and five months approximately in the Flipkart. So we deal with men's clothing and kids clothing. We started with men's clothing in the brand name of Tripper. Most of you might know Tripper. So in the brand name of Tripper, and then slowly we have expanded our categories in all the men's clothing verticals, like t-shirts, sweatshirts, jackets, shorts, tracks, tracksuits, cargos, shirts, jeans, everything. And then we moved on to kids clothing as well. In kids clothing, again we started with t-shirts, vests, shorts, tracks, and then now we do winter wear as well, sweatshirt and jackets. So this is a small background. So and in this 4 years, like it's a step-by-step growth, right? So from the beginning, like category wise also we have grown, and then volumes wise also we have grown multifold year on year basis. Anything else? Yeah, I think I have covered your 3 to 4 questions.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot. Yes, I can see that. So, sir, just wanted to know how your journey has been on Flipkart till now, like this 4 years plus that you have spent with Flipkart. How was your overall journey till now?
Yeah, 2016 till 2020, right? It's a, as I said, it's a step-by-step growth. It's not like an overnight thing,
Correct.
right? So, because Flipkart, it has its own policies. You need to follow gold standards, and
Hmm.
then uh, uh, slow and steadily we have increased both the volumes in the production front and also from the category front. Um, so it was a smooth journey actually. I would say it is not at all tough in
Mm-hmm.
Flipkart. Whenever we had any issues, right? So we had our account managers dedicated support, right? So it was a smooth journey. So 1 or 2 times, right, during COVID times and all, we have faced a lot of issues, but everything was um, handled perfectly with the help of Flipkart. And then I would say it's what to say, we have grown 100 to 200% year on year only because of Flipkart.
Okay. Thank you very much. Really good to know that. The next question that I wanted to ask you was, what are your current working scenario, like considering the pandemic situation as you just mentioned? So how are you working right now? How the staff are being managed, if you can guide us?
Yeah, actually, even we were struggling in the April, May times,
Mm-hmm.
right? So when the lockdowns were lifted step by step, at that time, like we found it very difficult for bringing in um, our own employees from all the front. At
Okay.
least we have managed to bring in the people for packing and other stuffs, but we face a lot of challenges in production side,
Okay.
right? The people who went back to their hometowns,
Hmm.
we faced a lot of challenges. Even one of our suppliers who supply on to us, he arranged flights also
Mm-hmm.
for their people to bring them back from north sides.
Mm-hmm.
So it was a bit of challenge, but we managed it. And after that, even locally, even today we have a risk of COVID spread in Tirupur, Coimbatore region in Tamil Nadu.
Hmm.
But we are taking all precautions, right? Social
Hmm.
distancing, masks, sanitizing the workplace, even
Correct.
sanitizing the guys coming in. and then following proper discipline. And
Correct.
even we are not allowing outside food, outside snacks also. We are
Mm-hmm.
providing our own tea, coffee, everything here.
Okay.
And then we suggest people to bring food from their home and take it at least for the next 1 or 2 months till this
Hmm.
peak gets over. In this way, it is being managed, and we need to manage it till the end of Diwali sales.
Correct, correct. But really good to know that you have been so thoughtful about your staff, and you have been managing everything so well. So I think this could inspire other sellers also to bring their staff back and push their business again by the way how you have been managing now. So now we'll be moving on to our next question. What would you recommend other sellers to join Flipkart, as India is moving online now? We all are aware of, especially after the pandemic situation, the growth we have seen, a huge amount of growth we have seen, people moving from on offline purchases to online purchases. So what is your opinion here?
Yeah, exactly true. Ria, as you said,
Mm-hmm.
post-COVID, we are seeing a huge surge in the
Hmm.
demand, right? Online. So even we are buying online, right? So we are not
Correct.
going, stepping out for the stores,
Hmm.
at least during this peak time.
Correct.
So this is the same situation all over India. So
Hmm.
everyone wants to buy things online, and
Hmm.
that too in our categories, the demand has grown like anything. So because
Yes.
our category is completely casual wear, and
Hmm.
everyone is working from home, and there are a lot of demand that is coming in for our category,
Hmm.
and we are actually increasing our production multifolded, 100%, 200%. Even then, we could not meet the demand. So it is good actually. A lot of sellers joining newly to Flipkart. They have a very good opportunity post COVID. Only thing is they need to properly follow all the policies and all the steps which
Hmm.
Flipkart and their account managers. I hear account managers are being allocated even for the bronze sellers now. Once they are onboarded, it's a very good practice.
Yes.
Some 2 3 sellers I know after asking me, they have newly joined Flipkart. They
Hmm.
were telling that now proper guidance was given from the beginning, right? When we were
Correct.
joining in 2016, only after we become silver seller, we'll get account managers. But nowadays, even the new sellers are being guided very well by seller support and account managers. So that is very good. So the sellers can use this opportunity, and with the growing demand, right?
Hmm.
So it's easy for them to scale up.
Hmm.
Uh, the only thing is that they need to choose the correct categories and then proper products to list, and
Yes.
then strictly follow the policies, right? So
Yes.
cancellation, breaches, and all. And then if they follow that, I think it will be a success for everyone.
Yes. Thank you so much for all the details that you have shared. Yes, you are absolutely correct. Now, even someone is newly joining Flipkart as a seller, initially we give them the account manager service so that they understand how the entire system runs when they become seller on Flipkart.com. So, yes, very well said. Moving on to our next question. How Flipkart has helped you during and after COVID situation to start selling again? If you can, you have already mentioned this, but if you can elaborate a little more for sellers to understand.
Yeah, few things, right? To elaborate, there are a few points which are very important, right? For payments,
Hmm.
right? So payments is something where Flipkart is always unique, and it always stands apart when compared to all the other marketplaces. A lot of marketplaces comes and go, but it's not the case with Flipkart, right? So I hear sellers from other marketplaces says their payments has been blocked during COVID situation. But
Hmm.
what we have seen is from the day the lockdown has started, whatever pending payments was there showing in the panel, everything was released to us in the next 7 to 10 days. There was no pending payments from Flipkart side. So from the financial front, it
Hmm.
was always supportive from Flipkart, and we had few invoices were also pending, which were also being extended the timelines, the advertisement invoices as well until the COVID got settled, and then after we restarted only, uh, uh, the payments has been deducted. So those kind of financial support, and then lendings via the loan arrangements, right? So that is also being done um, in a phased manner, right? So a lot of lenders are being tied up in the past 2 3 years. So they keep asking us about our financial requirements, and then they support us with the decent interest rates. That is one of the advantages, I would say. The second one is like apart from financial part, our managers were there helping us to reinitiate our business. And then whenever we face this lockdown situations, right? So suddenly our area or some other area will go into a containment zone.
Correct.
So at that time, even though we do some different arrangements, we might not be able to fulfill the orders. At that time, our managers were supportive. They were able to extend the SLAs. So they were easy to approach, right? Everyone was working from home, but
Yes.
even then, it was not like that, right? So whatever support we had when everyone was there in office, they made sure everything is happening in the same way. Similarly, local hub, eCard guys, everyone was supportive. And then I think we have introduced an insurance also, a COVID insurance, which was also being very supportive during the COVID and post-COVID.
Okay. Nice, nice. That's really nice to know that you received all the required help when it was needed. And yes, Flipkart always thinks about their sellers because, uh, you know, uh, Flipkart is also nothing without its seller and customers both, right? So this was the situation which was completely unpredictable, but somehow we all managed through together. So really good to know these kind words coming from you, and it really encourages us as well as other sellers also.
Yeah.
So thank you very much. We'll move on to our next question. According to you, what do you feel how the market has turned up post the national lockdown?
Yeah, market, as I said earlier, right? So market in most of the categories, it has actually increased 300 to 400 percentage. That is what I say. So even we guessed it during the COVID also. Might be this 2 months it will be a challenge, and after that there will be a 300 to 400% growth, and it happened, and it
Yes.
happened as well. So the online demand has been increased, and people are willing to shop only online, right? So and then this will become a habit. That is what we feel. So when people start buying online, right, they browse lot of products, they have lot of options, they have lot of offers being given, and with that what to say, with that sense of buying online, right? So it will become a habit. So what we feel is even after the COVID has been completely eradicated, I think the people who used to buy online, right? So it will become one of their purchasing destinations. That is what we feel, right? So
Correct.
it is not like post COVID or COVID being eradicated, the online might go down. We don't feel like that. So with the demand growing in this way, so this is going to make people have this habit as a one of their purchasing destinations. That is what we feel.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, now if you can tell us something about yourself, like what do you do to grow your business? Like if you can share some idea with our fellow sellers.
Yeah, we first thing, as as I am saying, telling from the beginning, right? First thing is strictly follow all the necessary initiatives Flipkart brings in each and every year, right? So when we launched, right, when we launched in 2016 April, after that we have seen a lot of new initiatives coming in. First one was the express fulfillment. So even now, whenever a bronze seller being onboarded, first of all, they need to dispatch the products within SLA. After that, they need to convert their listings into Express. Once they deliver all the products in Express mode, right? So then they will be given a smart fulfillment. So they need to use that small fulfillment as well in an effective way, right? They need to make sure all the metrics are being properly followed, and none of the metrics are being uh, what to say, metrics should be followed strictly. That is what.
Correct.
So after smart fulfillment, we have been onboarded to Flipkart fulfillment in all the warehouses, right? So from the north to east, west, and south. So these are the things introduced by Flipkart, which should be taken seriously by all the sellers. Nothing should be ignored. So with that comes PLA, PCA, and also the promotions, right? So these things are very, very important. Promotions, deal of the day should be opted in. So new catalogs and categories should be introduced, and then PLA should be done in a regular fashion. At least now I think we have introduced a lot of features like daily budgeting, and then on homepage visibility. Even PCA is now self-made feature that is being introduced in the new PLA panel. So all these things has to be used in a proper way. If
Yes.
everything is properly used, I think growing in Flipkart will be a cakewalk. And all these things, I think all the account managers will help the sellers to use all these features being introduced regularly, right? So that will itself help the sellers grow. So from the seller front, we need to make sure we introduce new selections timely basis, and then market those selections via PLA ads.
Thank you so much. Now, sir, if you can tell us what is that one Flipkart service that has helped you a lot in growing your business, or any service that you like the most in Flipkart platform?
Yeah, I will say two couple of things. One is Flipkart fulfillment. So Flipkart fulfillment is something even now it is of free of cost or with a minimal cost when compared to other marketplaces, right? So even the pickups happening for the fulfillment from our premises to the warehouses, it's free of cost, done free of cost. So that is something which made us a global seller, that is spanning across India, right? So otherwise the visibility will be only to South India. But if we keep our stock in Kolkata or in Mumbai warehouse or in our Haryana warehouse, it's a thing like we can cover almost all the regions of India with the Flipkart fulfillment, and with a very minimal cost or zero cost at sometimes. So that is the one big feature which helped us grow all over India. And then one more feature I would say is PLA. PLA is product listing ads. Product listing ads is something which helps us to make new products reach millions of customers within very few hours of the launch, right? So we will
Yes.
design a product and then we will immediately launch it. But within 2 to 3 hours, once the PLA started running, right, it will come up, it will show up in the customer app. So everyone will be able to see our new product within 2 to 3 hours of the launch, which is not available in any of the offline or other marketplaces. So that helps us understand which are the products that is actually being liked by the customers. If some products are not performing, right, we'll immediately either drop it or try to improve the features of the product, right? So that is what I would say. One is Flipkart fulfillment, and then the second one is PLA. With the new features being introduced in the PLA, like the visibility parameters and then daily budgeting, I
Correct.
think this year it will be even more helpful for everyone who is using PLA in an effective way.
Yes, sir. That was the idea actually, to introduce these new features so that it is more helpful for all our sellers
Yeah.
who are willing to participate in advertising their products. So that brings us to our next question. How was your last festive season experience?
So to be precise, last year we did 1.7 lakh units in 6 days.
Oh, wow.
So
That's
first,
nice.
yeah.
So, okay. So, do you want to tell us how the experience was? And
Yeah.
one more thing is that every year, you know that, right? We do these seller events post BBD also.
Yes.
Unfortunately, this year we are not able to do pre or post events. So, we are doing these virtual events. So, However, the experience is going to be different before and after BBD, but we hope that your BBD experience, should grow even more than how it was before.
Yeah,
So,
actually, BBD is always a celebration within
yes.
our premises, right? We have 70 to 100 of our guys working here.
Okay.
So everyone will celebrate BBD as only Diwali. So
Okay.
we used to give them gifts and then rewards, increments, promotions, everything during this BBD times only. And
Okay.
then last year BBD, we did, I told you, right, 1.7 L units in 6 days. And then we became the overall Flipstar in units across India. We were the overall Flipstar. So, and then we won a trip to New Zealand, but because of this COVID situation, we could not go. So,
Oh,
we have been offered some other rewards. So, we'll see. So, unfortunately, it happened. But that was, and we attended that event which you were telling, right, in the New Delhi.
yes. Yes.
It was a very good event, right? So we got the awards from the celebrities and from the higher management from the Flipkart, and
Correct.
a lot of fun events and dance events were there. So it was a very good experience, right? So we went with our family, everyone.
Mm-hmm.
So everyone went onto the stage, and then we got the award. So similarly, after coming back, we have given all the gifts and rewards to our guys as well. So we have been awarded with the certificates for our employees as well.
Wow, that's really good to know. Now, I would like to ask you, what do you expect from Flipkart for this upcoming festive season?
Obviously, 2 to 3x of sales when compared to last year. Actually, we used to grow 2 to 3x year on year.
Mm-hmm.
So we have done all the work for necessary for that, and we are confident that we will be able to do, because
Yes.
we have increased the categories as well. We have increased the selections as well, and
Mhm.
enough stocks has been moved to Flipkart fulfillment. So we expect that the primary thing is 2 to 3x of the sales, along with the rewards and other things to come following up with that. Only thing is we will miss the event,
Yes.
but we'll catch up after COVID settles down, right? Yeah.
Definitely, definitely, sir. Even, uh, we are also missing out on all that opportunity in meeting you all face to face and, understanding everything from your perspective as well. So that's why we have been doing these virtual events so that, your voice reaches all other sellers also. So
Yeah.
very good to know about your previous experiences and your expectation with the upcoming festive season. So is there any tip that you would like to give to other sellers on how they should be growing their business, especially now for the festive season?
Yeah, I would say, like, first thing, if you are a new seller, then I think whatever I told in the beginning, we need to follow that. We need to first move on to express, then into smart fulfillment, and
Hmm.
then follow PLA, and then opt into promotions. Those are the key things. If you are already an established seller in Flipkart, then we need to stock up more inventory, and then work on proper opting into the proper promotions. Actually, in DVD, we will have a number of promotions coming up with a lot of offers being showed up. So it's very we need to be very careful in opting into the proper promotions, and then plan the PLA as well from the beginning. And then I think some contest is going on for PLA as well, so
Yeah.
that is also equally important. So that will give an additional benefits also. So
Hmm.
we may get some cash back from the contest.
Hmm.
So there is a good contest. So if we are already established seller, I think we need to make sure we maintain inventory and then opt into promotions,
Hmm.
concentrate on PLA, and then maintain the gold standards in case of the metrics, cancellation, RTD breaches, and reattempts.
Yes. Yes. Thank you very much, sir. Really glad to know all these tips coming from you, and I hope all these tips are going to be very, very helpful for all our sellers. And it's actually may give some boost to them, especially now festive season is already begin, and they might need some words coming from their own community. So being a seller, if when you say things like this, this is really going to be very helpful for everyone else. So we really like to thank you for your time and support, and you came all the way to attend this event. So thank you very much. And we would love to see you again. We would like to chat with you again, especially post BBD. We will try to do this session again so that you can share your experiences. And thank you very much for your time, sir. Is there anything else that you would like to say to Sellers?
No, I think there were a couple of questions. You want me to answer to the questions or?
No, in general, if you have anything.
No, I think that's all. I think we have
You have
covered almost
covered
everything.
almost,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
everything. Yes. So thank you once again, and we'll meet up again soon, and we'll conduct these sessions so that our sellers keep getting some encouraging words from you. And we wish you all the best for this festive season, and all the best to your staff as well. So
Okay.
thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you all.